Hello, pre-Ks! How are you doing? It's time for us to sing and learn again. Can everybody say, "Hi, Teacher Ben!" Welcome to our online learning class. Let's begin by singing our alphabet song. You know what, kids? Singing helps us remember the concepts that we learn in school. So when you sing, I want to hear your voices loud and clear. Don't be shy. Teacher Ben is here to sing and learn with you. Are we ready?
I know the letter A says A and A. I know the letter B says B, B, B. I know the letter C says K, K, K. I know my alphabet. I know the letter D says D, D, D. I know the letter E says E and F. I know the letter F says F, F. I know my alphabet. I know the letter G says G, G, G. I know the letter H says H, H, H. I know the letter I says I and M. I love my alphabet. I know the letter J says J, J, J. I know the letter K says K, K. I know the letter L says ooh, ooh, ooh. I know my alphabet, you bet. I know the letter M says I know the letter N says I know the letter O says O and O. I know my alphabet. I know the letter P says I know the letter Q says quack, quack, quack. I know the letter R says I know my alphabet. I know the letter S says I know the letter T says I know the letter U says U and I love my alphabet. I know the letter V says I know the letter W says I know the letter X says I know my alphabet. I know the letter Y says I know the letter Z says I know the sound each letter makes A to Z. I know my alphabet. No sweat.
Today's lesson is still about the sound. Who can remember? How about let's review our past letters.
T, U, V, 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 W, W, W. Now what is next to letter W? It's X, X, X.
Well done, pre-Ks! Now, are you ready to play some games? Okay, let's begin.
Now tap the correct picture. Fox, fox. Ox, ox. Six, six. Box, box. Wet, wet. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.